Hey, this is Tom, the Pranburi-Property guy. I'm calling in from a property for sale in Mongkon Resort, Hua Hin. I really like this place. I've done a video on it before, but I only did a very brief one, so I'll spend a bit more time here. I'm up on the second floor on the large terrace area, which is actually really large. Very kind of tropical feeling here. We've got mountains at the back, as you can see. This actually goes all the way around. Mango trees. We're so close to town as well. We're a couple of kilometers from the center of Hua Hin, but you feel like you could be actually somewhere else like Chiang Mai, or you feel like you're really surrounded by nature. So the land plot is 736 square meters, Chanot title deed. Living area 380 square meters over 2 floors. And in total 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. What's interesting about this house is that the 2 downstairs bedrooms are kind of like separate apartments, which is pretty cool. But one of the main features I love about this house is this open ceiling we have here. Very cool. I've left all the lights off. I thought I'd make the most of natural light in this video, not being lazy. Big open space, an open attic area which I will visit. You can actually use it for storage, or even something like a studio or gym or yoga or something. Really nice feel to this place. This is the back of the kitchen, where you see how the terrace kind of wraps away around the house here. Little sort of outdoor kitchen, garden area. Really nice breezy surrounds. The house opens up, as you can see. Opened up these windows along there, and didn't open all the windows here, but the sliding doors are all open. There's no lights, there's no aircon, no fans. It's all just sort of natural breeze and light. Really nice wooden floor, feels great under the feet. Okay, so this is the master bedroom. Which has an open bathroom with a jacuzzi tub. And access to the terrace area too. So I'll go up to the second bedroom on this floor. It's a guest bedroom, pretty good size for a guest bedroom. 2 closets. Again, the lights are off. 2 windows, so it's very cool in here. And the guest bathroom, which you can also open up. Okay, let's go upstairs. So I'm up in the attic space here. Lots of potential. You can make a yoga zone, office, TV room. All kinds of stuff you could do up here. Not ideal for children the way it is, but you could easily put barriers around these edges. Up here you see how the building cools with these windows which let the heat out. Okay, let's head back down to the ground floor. So I guess I'm doing this video backwards because now I'm at the entrance. Just been up there. Just under half a rai of land, as I've mentioned. Oval pool. And what they've done here is put 2 apartments downstairs. So really handy for guests or any other kind of purpose. Again, I'm kind of thinking of yoga studio or art studio, music room, media room. Okay, I think these have never been used. They've got the wiring in for extra electrics. Everything's ready for aircon, but there's never been any installed. Okay, the one on the other side is actually a little bigger and has a bedroom, separate bedroom. Okay, so it's a good size, this one. You can feel the breeze. Got all these windows open here. Again, you've got wiring for AC. I think you probably would want it. Okay, in the bathroom. Yeah, so all kinds of potential here. Good if you have a lot of guests, or if you want to have yoga classes, or you're into art or anything like that. This development's one of the older ones. I really like it. Big wide roads, 24-hour security. There's a resort over there, way over there, with a big lake, big pool. Just super quiet, yet you're 5 minutes from downtown Hua Hin. Just to show you this underneath area a little bit more, this is your carport. And it's big, you could easily fit 3 cars here if you wanted to, and other vehicles. This is the back way into the house. This would be where you come in to park. Okay, so once I get this uploaded, I shall put a link in the description with more information, my contact details. If you're looking for a house in Hua Hin that has a lot to offer, lots of potential, the opportunity to be creative, close to town but surrounded by nature, just drop me a line. If you like this video, it'd be great if you would consider subscribing. That helps a lot. Thank you. Just following on from the house we just looked at, this is the lake inside the compound. Super nice and quiet. Maybe not as full as I've seen it, and the surroundings are quite dry. We haven't had any rain for a long time, but I just wanted to give you an idea. What you see over on the other side is the resort part with a large pool. I think it's actually got long-term renters in there rather than functioning as a resort. And just to show you a little bit more of what the surroundings are like here. Super wide roads, bamboo, trees everywhere, just quiet, nobody around. Great if you're cycling, jogging, dog walking, anything like that. The only noise is from my car, so excuse that. But yeah, really nice environment to live in.